If you see this, I actually have an acne scar. Sad about it, but it is what it is. I've said in a few videos that I'm going to be doing a studio reorg, and here it is. I'm so excited. When I started my channel, I just filled my background with stuff that we had lying around. So there was a lot of stuff that was just like, oh, this is extra, we'll put it in the background so that there's something, and it was sort of left like that. And I feel like it's now time to make it more me. First things first in this studio reorg is paint color, because this is going to be, the color that I use is going to be the pulling in of everything else. Does that make sense? So I got a bunch of swatches on the wall, and I actually picked one that wasn't there because I took it downstairs to order some floral stuff and match floral stuff to it when I was in bed. It was a really hard decision. I picked a bunch, and then as soon as I looked into the camera, I knew exactly what color it had to be because it was the only one that like stood out, and I'm very excited. I'm very excited. We had to move some plants out of here because they're not exactly pet friendly, but it's never been a problem, and then all of a sudden it was a problem. So they've all been moved out because kitty safety comes first, and now I have to go find some plants that are pet friendly. For the background centerpiece, it's going to be this crescent moon, and what I've done here is I've taken this Wreath metal loop. I have another one here, and if I find it I'll show you it, but it's this metal Wreath loop that I've cut and bent into shape, and then I taped a pool noodle on and shaved off the ends into this crescent shape. And sort of what I'm going for is, I'll put a picture here of the idea that I have. I've got a flower arrangement up there that I'm going to put on it, but I have all of these petals that I'm going to glue down onto the wreath. But first I have to wrap it in masking tape. I have a lot of stuff going on and no energy to do anything with it, so that's what we're dealing with right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be crammed up into this corner because that's where I need this. I need this as a. I'm gonna start with my black petals on the edges. So I've marked where I'm gonna put my main piece, and now I'm just gonna make sure that everything but the back is covered. So probably this strip here will be not covered, and then the rest will be. Just to make sure that I have enough to go around. Now, if you are using hot glue, please use it in a safe manner, not the way that I'm doing. I do not condone this. This is ridiculous. It's not safe. Am I slightly regretting hot glue as my medium? Yeah, a little bit, a little bit. Am I concerned that they're not gonna stick? A lot of it. Too late now. I'm gonna need so much hot glue. It is ridiculous. But there's the concept. Just keep working until I have no more hot glue, and then I'll have to hunt down some more. And here's the final result of how it all turned out at the end. It all came together so beautifully. I'm so happy with how it turned out. The wreath was actually so easy to do myself, and I think it turned out really pretty. And I'm feeling so much better in this space. I'm so excited to see what energy this space brings and to feel more like myself in it. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.